Hello, welcome to a new video. You might be wondering where I am, because this looks like Mars, to me at least, but it's not Mars. We are in Fuerteventura, Spain, and it's just the most incredible place. I'm so happy to be here, and I think this place is such a good reminder that nature is bigger than all of us. Like, literally, obviously nature has created this whole place, and I was walking through the dunes here before and I found a lot of seashells. They're coming from the ocean, so I'm guessing all of this a long time ago was all filled with water, and it's just crazy that now it has created this, and it's just so beautiful. And what I love about this place is that you get this feeling that nature comes first and the people come second. And in other places like big cities, Amsterdam where I live, often it feels like the people come first and nature comes second, and nature has been kind of pushed away and the people have made their space, and which also makes total sense. Like, I love that as well, but here it's so beautiful because it's kind of like people just go like around nature and everything is the way that it has always been, and it is appreciated that way, and it is respected that way. And it just shows you how strong nature is and what it can create and how beautiful it is, and it makes you feel so small and so not powerful, which is sometimes good. Like, sometimes I feel like we need to be reminded that we're just like small little humans on this planet, and yeah, it's amazing. So I'll show you some clips of this beautiful island, and that's it. Cookies.
So we decided to name this cat Arrakis. You know, we recently watched Dune and we are in Fuerteventura, which gives a little bit of like Dune vibes. So that's the name of the cat. I mean, he's really friendly, really cute. Arrakis.